Here we have a 2018 BMW 530D M Sport, finished in a bluestone metallic exterior paintwork, which really does look fantastic. We've got 4 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle, as you can tell by the side skirt and front splitter, both finished in black, as well as the black kidney grills there at the front. Here's a look at that front view. There we go. Now coming round, we've got our second 20-inch alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. We've got some black accents, some M Sports badging. We've got a black side skirt at the bottom. Colour-coded wing mirror. Colour-coded door handles with the chrome accents. Here's a quick look at that interior. There we go. We've then got a privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows. Sunroof on top. We've got our third alloy wheel just there. As we come to the rear, we have got our spoiler lip just there. We do have both front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, which you can see just there. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look fantastic from every angle. Now here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior, we have got a full leather interior throughout. How fantastic do these seats look? We've got the M Sports colours just there, the blue stitching throughout as well. On the doors here, we've got our premium operated Harman Kardon sound system, unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle. We've got this lovely trim, plenty of leather again with the blue stitching, electric window controls, electric power folding wing mirrors, and our boot release just below. Now stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on the right there. We'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start stop button. There we go. Now, as you can see, we have got the digital display in the centre just there. Taking a step back, we've got different controls on the multifunctional steering wheel. Things like speed limiter, cruise control, both here. Phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. Auto wipers on the right on that stalk just there. Coming into the middle, we've got our infotainment screen. So on here you'll find things like navigation. We've then got different forms of media connectivity. So on here you'll find things like DAB, FM and AM radio, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've then got our phone connectivity, so we can connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now, if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see that we do have our reversing camera, as well as a visual display of both front and rear sensors just there. We've then got different driving modes. So we've got things like Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro, and you can actually configure individually Eco Pro and Sport to suit your exact driving style should you wish. Another nice feature is that the digital display will actually change dependent on which mode you're in, as well as various other components of the car. Now back into the middle here, we do also have the ambient lighting in this vehicle. Again, a great feature. If you go into the lights here, interior lighting, colour, we've got all of these different colours to choose from just there, which looks absolutely fantastic at night time. We've then got our intelligent safety just there, as you can see, all on. Very safe car. Now, coming off that and making our way down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got our volume controls just there as well. Dual zone climate controls, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, with ice cold air conditioning and heated seats for both front passengers as well, which all works exactly as you would expect. We've got our same lovely trim in the centre just here. We've got our shortcuts for the infotainment screen just there. Our gear stick, if you're not familiar with these, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, flick it across, and we're in sport/manual, and we can actually change gears manually like so as well. We've then got our traction control, different mode selects, our electronic handbrake just here with auto hold, a button to turn off our parking sensors. We've also got a soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage, and last but not least, we do have our sunroof just here, which is currently open. There you can see, as you can see and hear, that all works exactly as you would expect. and the blind will also close with that as well, should you wish. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530d M Sport. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on our steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press cruise, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then to deactivate that, I can simply press cancel or apply pressure to the brakes. Now we've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and then 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching a roundabout here where I'll be taking a left turn. It's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. Of course, we've got the full leather interior, which just screams luxury. We've got the heated seats for both front passengers with the dual zone climate controls, premium uprated Harman Kardon. And then in terms of comfort, it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in this vehicle. We've got the electrical adjustments on our seat just here, which are incredibly convenient to use. Very simple, no issues at all. And like I said, very comfortable. And we've also got an electrically adjustable steering wheel as well. So getting into your favorite seating position is an absolute breeze. And of course, with the seats as well, we do have our favorite seating positions on a memory function. So if there's two of you that share the car, that both drive it, you can have one of you, your favorite driving position in each space. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared for it. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to now make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, as well as YouTube. So make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, I'll shortly be taking a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. But we have hit a spot of traffic, so before we get there, I'll talk you through some more features of the car. We do of course have our different driving modes. So we've got things like Eco Pro, which also has its own individual feature. We've got Comfort and we've got Sport. So it's a great all-rounder, this vehicle, because you can, if you're just wanting to drive economically, doing a long distance journey, you want to sit in comfort, you get the heated seats on, etc, etc, stick it in Eco Pro and you'll be getting the best bang for your buck when it comes to filling up and your miles per gallon. But then if you are wanting to have a bit more of a fun, a spirited drive, you've got Sport, just a touch of a button away, and that will change the driving characteristics of the vehicle and make this a lot more fun to drive. And it does have some good performance, this car, as well, with it being the 530. Now here we are, I'm just about to perform the emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of both front and rear sensors just there, as well as our camera on our right. Now I'm just about to go over a speed bump as well, so listen out for any sounds. There we go, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. If just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, a video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.